Chapter 16, Benefits of having a well thought out business plan. Before embarking on your new business venture, it is good to draft up a business plan. A business plan outlines your vision for the future of your agency, looking at where you are now, where you want to be by a given date, and how you intend to get there. There's a well-known saying, fail to prepare is to prepare to fail. Sadly, many new startups fail because they don't have a clear plan of action and objectives for their business. If you're running a business that does not have set revenue targets, then the likelihood is it will take you longer to generate income. And if your business is not bringing in any revenue, then your business is more of a hobby than a recruitment agency. Writing a business plan forces you to focus on your business, prioritizing what you have to do and by when. Any shortfalls or potential pitfalls will soon become obvious if you take the time to look at your business plan and sales forecasts objectively. In this way, you make your mistakes on paper rather than in reality. A good business plan will 1. Give you a sense of direction and an action plan. 2. Demonstrate the seriousness of your intentions to banks, investors, colleagues and employees. 3. Enable you to identify problems early on and take appropriate action. 4. Set measurable, realistic targets to gauge how well you are progressing. What should be included in your business plan? A good business plan answers 4 simple questions. 1. What are you trying to achieve from your recruitment business? 2. Where you want your business to be in 3, 6, 12 months' time? 3. What are your action plans and business strategy to getting where you want to be? And 4. What will be your monthly expenditure? You should be able to sum up your purpose in a couple of sentences. It should clarify what you want your business to achieve beyond making a profit. It goes without saying that the success or failure of your business rests on its ability to make a profit, and anyone thinking of investing in your business will scrutinise your budget closely. Set quarterly financial targets for your business and stick to those objectives. If for whatever reasons you have not achieved your quarterly objectives, then go back to the drawing board, analyse where you went wrong and what steps you need to take to remedy any problems. Along with monitoring your sales revenue, it is equally as important to track your expenditures. Again, it's important to have your running costs down in writing and then sticking to it. Remember to include contingencies in every area to cover unexpected costs. While you need to show confidence in your business, you do not want to be overly ambitious with your projected sales targets. Unrealistic projections are likely to do more harm than good. It's safer to view things myopically as opposed to optimistically. There is no need for you to be overly concerned as to what to write in your business plan, as we have included a draft business plan model for your recruitment business. All you'll simply need to do is to tailor the plan to your personal circumstances.